The Anykit 1600 PSI Electric Washer offers robust cleaning power with 1,600 PSI and 1.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for efficiently removing dirt and grime from various surfaces. Safety is a priority with this pressure washer, featuring a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when not in use, enhancing both safety and energy efficiency. With 4 quick connect nozzles, this pressure washer provides customizable cleaning options ranging from gentle sprays for delicate areas to powerful jets for tougher stains. Designed for user-friendly operation, the Anykit electric washer ensures a straightforward setup and use, allowing users of all experience levels to achieve professional cleaning results. This versatile pressure washer excels in multiple cleaning scenarios, from refreshing patio furniture to washing driveways, making it a reliable tool for maintaining a spotless home exterior. The Anykit 1600 PSI electric washer combines power, safety, versatility, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable solution for various cleaning tasks.